This week's POW is called Wayside Middle School. Our sample POW is on the back side. Lakeside Middle School is holding a bike-a-thon fundraiser to raise $1,000 to buy iPods. Students will bike around the park. Each lap is half a mile. The principal expects that it will take the students 1/10 of an hour to complete a lap. The students accept pledges of $2 per completed lap. To meet the expectation, what speed must the students bike? So our speed is the distance that we have divided by the time. So each lap is half a mile, and the principal expects it to be 1/10 of an hour to complete a lap. So we're going to be doing half a mile in 1/10 of an hour. So 1/2 divided by 1/10 will give us 5. So the students are going to have to bike at 5 miles per hour. For the fundraiser, students must bike 15 complete laps. If all the students meet the principal's expectations, how many hours will it take to bike 15 laps? So in this case, if one lap is 1/10 of an hour, we need to know we have 15 laps in X hours. So multiply X times 1 is X, and 15 times 1/10 is going to give us 1.5 hours. So it'll take the students 1.5 hours to do that. If each student completes exactly 15 laps, what is the minimum number of students needed to meet the fundraising goal of $1,000? So students are accepting pledges of $2 per completed lap. So if they do 15 laps, they're getting pledges of $2 for each of those laps, which means that each student is raising $30. So we need to meet our fundraising goal of $1,000, and we're going to divide that by $30 by each $30 for each student. And when we do that, we get 33.3 repeating, which means that we would need to have 34 students to complete the fundraising so that we would raise $1,000.